A rural revival program in China's Zhejiang has breathed new life into thousands of villages and empowered local communities. Zhejiang launched the Green Rural Revival program in June 2003, which planned to renovate about 10,000 incorporated villages and transform about 1,000 central villages among them into examples of moderate prosperity in all respects. Cailu village in Zhejiang used to be a traditional agricultural village. Over the past 20 years, under the Green Rural Revival program, Cailu has been transformed into a model village of beautiful scenery and shared prosperity, especially with the help of modern technologies.
觉得这还是无人操作得好呀，只要人工省一点呀，无人操作啊，我自己一个人都可以搞定了。
The Amend Agricultural Machine is a key project of a smart farm platform in Cailu village. The platform monitors the conditions of soil, water quality, weather, and other information in real time through 5G network applications and uses big data platforms to achieve intelligent farmland management.
我们现在社会发展那么快，我们一定要让大家能够感受到现代科技给大家带来的便利。 所以呢，我们就是说，要把这个5G 的也好，智慧的好，数字化呀，要引入到村庄和我们的田园。
Jiangxiang village in Zhejiang used to spend a lot of manpower and resources on garbage disposal. In recent years, the implementation of scientific garbage disposal and recycling methods has yielded significant improvements in both economic and ecological aspects.
这个就是我们今天上午就是从农户那个手头收回来的这易腐垃圾，每天大概有350公斤。这个呢已经堆了2个多月，到常温的话，跟天气的这个常温一样的话，我们就可以出肥了。
Nowadays, Jiangxiang has been designated as one of the first pilot villages for low-carbon development in Zhejiang.